St. Jago High is represented by Janelle Essen, Renice Earl, Renee Somerville, and Nathaniel Baker. York Castle High is represented by Jonique Emmanuel, Nikhil Lalwani, Tamala Neal, and Ryoma Muir. Hello everyone. Welcome to the second match in this quarterfinal series. St. Jago High won the opening match to take a 1-0 lead in the series, and another win tonight will send them into the semi-finals. But if York Castle High wins tonight, the series will be locked at 1-1 and poised for a scintillating deciding match. I'm your host, Marlene Stevenson-Daly. It all comes down to this. The quarterfinalists have entered the challenge, but do they have the skill, the knowledge, the temperament to move into the semi-final round? Well, this is the opening challenge, and in this section, teams will be asked questions alternately. They'll receive 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier, we had the toss and St. Jago won. They decided to go into bat. And so we begin with St. Jago High. The section lasts for 4 minutes. Let's get that time on the clock. St. Jago, Spanish. What is the English translation for Que gusto saludarte?
Gusto saludarte. What do you like about your health?
What do you like about your health?
Incorrect. It's nice to see you or to greet you. York Castle, Spanish. What is the English translation for Le agradezco mucho?
Right. It's very nice to meet you.
It's very nice to meet you.
No, I really appreciate you, or thank you very much. International Affairs for St. Jago. Look at the monitor, identify this person.
Richard Brown.
Richard Brown.
Incorrect. Hertzi Halevi. And International Affairs for York Castle. Look at the monitor, identify this person.
All right, come go with Israel Katz.
Israel Katz?
Israel Katz.
Israel Katz.
Incorrect. Eyal Zamir. Bible knowledge for St. Jago. In which book of the Bible can you find the verse, "This is the day the Lord hath made, we will rejoice and be glad in it"?
Psalms.
Correct. Bible knowledge for York Castle. Which book of the Bible speaks of the Battle of Armageddon?
Revelation.
Correct. Biology for St. Jago. What human condition is caused by an obstruction in the bile duct due to the growth of bilirubin in the system?
Jaundice.
Correct. Biology for York Castle. What is the name of the human condition of having at least 3 loose or liquid bowel movements each day?
Diarrhea.
Correct. And music for St. Jago. Listen to the clip, identify the singer.
Give testimony about what the Lord has done.
Shirley Caesar.
Incorrect. Babby Mason. Music for York Castle. Listen to this clip, identify the singer.
I won't dare look back, 'cause if I do.
Right, Regina Bell.
Regina Bell.
Incorrect. Yolanda Adams. St. Jago, English language. Identify the part of speech of the word in the sentence. Pastels and light colors are in this year.
Adjective.
Correct. English language for York Castle. Identify the part of speech of the word in the sentence. The text was written in pencil.
Adverb.
Incorrect. Preposition. Theatre and cinema for St. Jago. Look at the monitor. Identify this actress.
Charlize Theron.
Charlize Theron.
Correct. Theatre and cinema for York Castle. Look at the monitor. Identify this actor.
Chiwetel Ejiofor. Chiwetel Ejiofor.
Correct. General knowledge for St. Jago. How many numbered spaces are on a bingo card?
Bingo card. 16.
16.
Incorrect. 24. General knowledge for York Castle. How many cards are in a standard deck of playing cards?
52.
52.
Correct. And sports. Jago, look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Robert Sanchez.
Robert Sanchez.
Incorrect. Diogo Costa. Sports. York Castle, look at the monitor. Identify this person.
David Dahia. David Dahia.
David Dahia.
Correct. Jamaican heritage for St. Jago. What is the English translation of the phrase "Coupon your tout"?
Look at you.
Look at you.
Correct. Jamaican heritage for your castle. What is the English translation of the Jamaican phrase "Fenke fenke"?
Weak.
Correct. Geography for St. Jago. Which country comprises over 17,000 islands, including Sulawesi and parts of Borneo and New Guinea?
Indonesia.
Indonesia.
Correct. Geography for York Castle. Which country has the most volcanoes in the world with 173?
Most volcanoes. Right, Indonesia again.
Indonesia.
Incorrect. United States. Mathematics. And that's the bell. That's the end of the opening challenge, and the scores at this time are St. Jago on 6 and York Castle High also on 6. When we come back, it'll be time for the speed challenge. Quarterfinal action in Schools Challenge Quiz 56 returns right after these messages.